Got the 2011 Ford Taurus and it threw a code, so I put the scanner on it, and I'll show you a little bit about that in a minute, and figured out it was an oxygen sensor on the front bank, and I got to get it out. Ordered a part on Amazon, easy to get, not too expensive. All right, there's the oxygen sensor right down in there. It's one of the easier ones to get to, but it still doesn't want to budge without a lot of help. It is a 22 millimeter or 7/8 inch socket. I went online and got one off Amazon. I got this guy here. It's got a slot in it so that you can get the wire through, and then it's offset 3/8 inch drive. So I ended up taking this and dropping it on there about like that. So I ended up going in with a double extender, one of these bendy ratchets, to get down in there into it, and then I'll show you what I did here. So it ends up looking like this. And what I ended up doing, I could not get enough leverage on this thing. I had a really long pipe, and I just rolled it on here and did the whole hee-ho heave, and it took a lot of pressure, but it eventually popped out. A few good hard leans, and now I'll go into screwing that little guy out. I did want to mention, I did spray the area down with PB Blaster. The other thing to note, reading a lot of recommendations online, is to do this while the engine is hot. I guess when it's cold, stuff shrinks up and it's not as easy to get out. It wasn't super easy, but I did get it out, and I'm not super frustrated, which is a good thing. I did use the Bosch sensor. Here's the part number, 17279 is the one. It has a short pigtail, I'll show you here in a sec. So it's got a short pigtail, little cap on it to protect it. It's already got anti-seize on it. So it's just a matter of pulling this clip off. You squeeze the thing and give it a little tug, and it should pop right off there. And then this thing pops off of the plastic. Might have to use a screwdriver to pry it off. So then this guy should just, once you crack it, should just rotate out. And get it out. Looks a little white. I'll have to look that up and see what's up with that. Get the new one, and we'll put it in. Alright, and I'm gonna make it as tight as I can get it in here by hand. I'm not gonna, even though you're supposed to torque it, I'm not gonna do that just because it's too hard in here. It's actually not that hard. All right, that's on. Look at that. Snaps right in there, perfect fit. Done. So right now we've still got the code in there. I'm going to go through and with the tool and reset it. I'll show you how I did that. So I've got the NEXPOW V0150. Here it is. It's a one of these Bluetooth remote kind of things. Actually, I think this one forms a network with your phone. On the Ford Taurus 2011, it goes right in there. And you can leave it in there. It does like diagnostics while you're driving on the app. And then I'll pop the app open here and show you what I'm doing. All right, on the app, what you first do is you gotta start the car. And once it's up, you tell it to connect. And it says it's connecting to the thing there. It's support. Hey, we can make it faster. No, I'm not gonna bother with that. And I'll look at the diagnostic trouble codes. And then, let's see, read. Here we go. Read. Ubbity. So it's a P0150 was the previous code that I had stored in there. That was the Bank 2 Sensor 1. That was up front. That one that I just replaced. I'm going to clear it. Clear. Clear, only found diagnostic trouble code. Clear it, yes. Warning, bad things might happen. Okay. Clearing completed. Okay. And there we go. The light is off. Yay. So this code reader actually works really well. It's got a lot of functions. The app is generic. I'll put a link down below to that also. So it's a generic app that links to the module. You can clear codes. It's got all kinds of weird diagnostics. You can look at sensor voltages and things like that. And in this case, it helped me figure out how to replace the oxygen sensor.
I think the girls with their nails done now.